how to create a mini graph or a sparkline in Microsoft Excel. This is a sparkline or mini graph. This graph introduced in 2010 version of Excel. A sparkline indicates how individual data varies across the matrix of data. For example, this phone cell shows how the data varies across the years and the quarter, the fourth quarter. The Apple sales is shown by the graph, and the LG sales is shown by a column graph. And the last sample is Samsung sales. It is a win-loss graph. The red one is a loss, the other is win data. We can put the sparkline in front of the data or any other place. You can find the sparkline from the insert menu here in the sparkline. There are three types of the graphs: the line, the column, and the win-loss graph, which indicates positive and negative values. Now let's create this mini graph from scratch. First, let's copy the data to another sheet, and we can copy and paste to in this sheet, paste as values, and we can insert the first sparkline. First, let's format it a little bit. That's good. Let's insert the first sparkline here. Go to insert and line graph. Choose the line graph, and the data range will be this one. Select all the sets, and the location range will be here. All the cells should be selected, and click OK. Now we get the graph, and let's increase the weight of the line. Maybe this one. Now it's good looking. And in the same manner, we can insert for LG. Insert, go to column graph. This time, select the data range from here, and the location will be in front. Select all the cells and click OK. Now we get the graph, the column graph. And the last example will be the win-loss for Samsung. Go to insert again and choose win-loss graph, and select the data range, and the location will be here as usual. Click OK. Now we get the graph. So the negative one is lost data. So this graph is good. So we can change the look and feel of the sparklines. You can go to design tab and change any thing we want. Can change the color, like for the line graph, and can change also the color for column graph, and we can change anything we want, the styles and markers, highest point, whatever we want. We can change the formatting. Let's format a little bit table for good looking. You can choose this color, and yeah, So we have seen how we can design sparklines or mini graph.